Hey guys, welcome to a new series on my channel. In this series, we'll be creating a complete horror game template with the most important features such as first-person movement and interaction, a Resident Evil inventory system, doors, AI, jump scares, and much more. We'll be making everything as modular as possible so that you can change it however you like. Of course, you'll also be able to download this project in my YouTube member tier 2 files. If you have any ideas for this series, please write them in the comments so that I can plan and implement them as early as possible. And now, I hope you enjoy the first part, where we'll focus on creating the project and building a first-person camera. First of all, we create a new project, which should be a third-person template so that we get the complete mannequin for animations. It also saves it in the right place and names your project so that you will still know which one it was later, such as horror game template.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate a like and subscription so that you don't miss any future content from my channel. If you encounter any errors in your project, I would be happy to assist you on my Discord server. The link is in the description. Until next time.